Friends, welcome to another online edition of Healthcare for Life, brought to you by Community Health Centers of the Central Coast. My name is Jose Guzman, Director of Outreach Services, and once again, we'd like to welcome you to this very informative segment. Today, we have the opportunity to interview Gracie Vasquez. She is the Navigation Center Manager. Gracie, thank you very much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
So Gracie, we've talked about many services that Community Health Centers of the Central Coast offers via this segment, Healthcare for Life. Today we're going to learn a little bit about the Chc Navigation Center. Can you give us a little bit of information regarding the role, the services that the Navigation Center offers to our patients?
Our Navigation Center offers all of the scheduling for the entire organization. So all of the calls from community health centers come into the Navigation Center.
And these are services that are offered to patients, to other provider offices, anyone that needs to get a hold of a CHC representative to schedule an appointment and other tasks, right?
That is correct.
Okay, outstanding. So currently, our organization serves over 100,000 patients in the Central Coast, northern Santa Barbara County, throughout San Luis Obispo County. Can you tell us what is the best way for someone who needs health services or would like to become a CHC patient? What's the best way to go about it, and how can the Navigation Center representatives assist them in doing this?
Our patients can now not only call us, they can text us for an appointment, they can visit our website, or they can visit their portal. If you're a brand new patient, then you can go ahead and call or text, and that is at 361-8400. And then we would be registering a brand new patient over the phone.
Excellent. 805-361-8400.
Correct.
805-361-8400. If you have any questions, this is the number to call or text. So now that I've registered as a new patient, Gracie, who will be able to help me schedule my first appointment with a CHC provider?
So once we got you scheduled and registered, everything is going to be done over the phone. This is going to help eliminate some of the paperwork that needs to be filled at the clinic.
Yes.
Once we're set up with that, then
good to go.
Then we're good to go.
Awesome. So if the patient has any questions, if the Navigation Center representative has any questions for the patient, it's all taken care of at that moment. So that way, that the day of the appointment, it's much more simple for the patient to come in, right?
Correct.
Excellent. So let's talk a little bit about coverage, insurance. What type of insurance plans are accepted as a form of payment at our community health centers?
So we take all payer sources. The way this works is that even if you're unable to pay, we're still going to be able to service you. There are going to be several options that the patient's going to have if they're not covered by insurance. And that's going to be apply for sliding fee. If they don't qualify for sliding fee, maybe connecting them with other resources.
Excellent. So there's different programs that patients can access under different situations. We do have a sliding fee program,
Correct.
which is available to all patients, and especially those patients that don't have health insurance. Many patients have a health insurance plan. CHC currently accepts most PPO plans, but not HMO plans, correct?
Correct.
Okay, outstanding. So this is also very good to know. And in the meantime, just remember that you could always call or text the 805-361-8400 if you have any questions. Gracie, what advice can you give to a patient who has scheduled an appointment, but for some reason will not be able to make his or her appointment? We know that we want all our patients to keep their appointments, but life does happen.
The best way, and I think the easiest way, would be for the patient to text us, and that's going to be at 361-8400. If patient has more questions and it's not just to cancel or reschedule, they can go ahead and give us a call. But patients can also visit our website, which is the chccc.org.
Excellent. Out of those 100,000 plus patients, many of them are going on vacation. The weekend is coming up. I find out that I need a medication refill. What advice can you give to our patients so they don't wait till the last minute when we have holidays, when we have weekends, and it makes it much more difficult for them to get their medication refills?
The most important thing is that the patient contact their pharmacy first.
Okay.
The pharmacy is going to send a request to their provider. But I think at the end of the day, the most important thing too is that the patient always keeps up with their appointments. So if they have upcoming appointments or if they don't have one scheduled, that they do so.
Okay, and Community Health Centers of the Central Coast also has immediate care clinics in the city of Santa Maria, the city of Rio Grande, and also in Paso Robles. Are these clinics only for CHC patients, or are they open to other members of the community that aren't registered patients?
They are open to other members of the community. It doesn't have to be just a CHC patient. But it is important that they do follow up with their insurance to find out about coverage.
Excellent, excellent. Remember, for those of you that are watching this segment, 805, they call us at 805-361-8400 if you have any other questions. For patients that are new to the area, maybe they would like to receive health services through community health centers of the Central Coast, when is the best time for them to call us? And what information should they also have on hand, so that way when they reach one of our representatives, the process could go a lot faster, it could be a lot smoother?
So we're available Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. We are open for lunch as well. If they do have insurance, that they have that information readily available.
Awesome. And Gracie, once again, what is the best way for our patients and future patients to get a hold of a Navigation Center representative?
I'm going to say that it's going to be to text us or visit the website. Patients can always, again, call, but if they don't want to wait on the line, then giving us a text is going to be perfect.
If I am only a Spanish speaker, am I able to send you a question in Spanish? Okay, great. So we do have Navigation Center representatives that are bilingual or multilingual to be able to assist our diverse patient population.
Yes.
All right. And during National Health Center Week, Gracie, is there any message that you would like to share with those that are viewing this segment right now to really motivate them to take care of their health, to be encouraged to call CHC or to text us, so that way they can be established with one of our great providers?
I think now more than ever, CHC has made it very easy for our patients to connect, whether you're a patient or not. So again, I can't stress enough, send us a text, visit the website, but we're here to help.
Excellent. Thank you very much for your time. Anything else you would like to add?
That'll be all.
Okay, well, thank you again, and we look forward to talking to you in the future. We know things are always changing at CHC. There's a lot of information that we need to deliver to our patients just to make sure that you have the most up-to-date information. Gracie, thanks again for all you do.
Thank you.
All right. All right, folks, thank you very much for the time that you have invested in keeping up to date with all the great services that Community Health Centers of the Central Coast offers in northern Santa Barbara County, throughout San Luis Obispo County. 805-361-8400. Call us or text us or visit chccc.org online.